Today we'll see how to install Python and Pycharm in Windows machine. In order to install Python, you can browse to www.python.org/downloads, or you can search Python downloads in Google. So Python is free of cost. Once you browse to python.org/downloads, you can download the latest version by clicking on that yellow box, download Python 3. whatever version is. I'll not suggest to download the latest version because latest version could have some bugs. So always go with N-1 philosophy. For example, the current version is 3.11. You have to download 3.10. In order to do so, scroll down and select the appropriate version. The end doesn't matter. So if say 3.10.10, you don't need to worry about that last part. Click on 3.10.10. If you scroll down, you can download Python for Windows or Mac or for any other operating system. Simply click on Windows installer 64-bit. In order to download Pycharm, navigate to www.jetbrains.com, or you can simply type in Pycharm download on Google. Pycharm, you can download it for Windows, Mac OS or Linux. There are two types of version available, professional and community. Professional one is paid. I'll suggest to download the community version as it is free as well as it's easy to work also. Just click on next to install it in the respective directory. During the last phase of installation, it will ask whether you wanted to configure the Python path or not. Click on disable path length limit. Once you click on that, it will automatically configure the path after getting the administrative access. You can validate whether Python has been installed properly or not by moving to command prompt. Type in py- the version which you have downloaded. If you find 3 slashes, that means you are logged into Python interpreter. Type in 2+2 and press enter. It will give you a result 4. That means it's working fine. There's another alternative. In order to log into command prompt, you can even type py- space version. This will do the same thing. You can even check this also by saying 2+1 and press enter. This will result 3. So since now Python is installed successfully, let's see how to install Pycharm. Double click on the exe downloaded from JetBrains. Click on next to install it. In the last option, it will ask for whether to create desktop shortcut, update path variable, update context menu, create associations. You can click on all these 4 and press next. Once this is installed, it will ask whether you wanted to reboot machine or not. It's not necessary to reboot the machine, so we can skip it as I wanted to do manually reboot later. Click finish. Once you are done, you can type in Pycharm in the search directory. Read the user agreement, click on confirm and press continue. It will ask for data sharing. I prefer not to do it, so don't send. Alternatively, you can send anonymous stats. This is how Pycharm console look like. You can click on new project, or alternative is click on file and then new. This will ask for the location, and most important thing to look at is base interpreter. If you have multiple Python version installed in your system, select the appropriate or the most recent one to proceed further and click create to start working in Python. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.